Gray day here. Ohio is the home of the backfiring lawnmower. That's our state bird call. See those antennas right there? That's where Sunwatch is. The Fort Ancient site. Zoom back some, give you a view. I've heard this called a signal mound before because of how big it is and how you could see a long distance from here. There we go. They got us fenced in so we can't sled like all the old folks around here say, we used to sled down that mountain. Again, we're in Miamisburg, Ohio. People talk about guys digging for artifacts or hunting for artifacts and ruining history. Just look at this. That was totally bulldozed and made into a golf course. And over here, you can see how big this place is. I grew up, we called it Mound Technologies, which is, I think, still the name, but it was a Monsanto plant. I had a neighbor who used to go fetch satellites out of the rainforest because they were radioactive, but that's where he worked at. He's no longer with us. He died at an early age. Give you an idea what kind of dirt makes up a mound here. We got a groundhog hole. Several groundhog holes in this mound. Makes you wonder what kind of goodies come out of it every so often. Over there where the golf course is, I know a fellow that found a perfect trophy axe. Miami river axe is what we call them. The roots. See how big that thing is. It's really hard to describe.